This is how to apply press-on nails with NYK1 Nail Bond. Step 1. Push back cuticles. Step 2. Using a block buffer, lightly buff the whole surface of the natural nail from cuticle to tip. Step 3. Dehydrate the natural nail with NYK1 Prep and Shine. Step 4. Brush nail bond onto the lower half of the false nail and also the whole of the natural nail. Step 5. Connect the false nail at a slight angle close to the cuticle. Push down towards the tip, forcing the air towards the tip. Durability test. Nail bond is well known for being durable and strong. It's the perfect glue to keep your press-on nails intact. They are even waterproof, so they will last you your entire holiday. If you want the strongest and most reliable glue money can buy, Nail Bond has you covered.